Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get a refund from Proton VPN on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Proton VPN app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap on Settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and tap on Account or Subscription. This is where you can manage your plan details. Proton VPN usually offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. For new subscription, make sure you are still within this period to be eligible for a refund. On iPhone, open a browser and go to account.proton.me. Log in with your Proton account, go to subscription, then manage, then tap on request refund. Fill out the form with the details and reason for requesting a refund and then tap submit. Proton will send you an email confirming your refund request. Refunds usually take a few business days to appear in your payment method. And that's it. You have successfully requested a refund from Proton VPN on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.